Welcome to Chaotic Piece Expression. I believe this is the first time I'm going to be talking while I'm doing my painting, a narrative while painting. And the main reason is because I'm so excited because I finally, after so long, got my deco art satin enamels. Oh my god, it was out everywhere. I couldn't find it anywhere in Amazon or any place. Like I was finding the other colors of it, like denim, and I got this ruby one from Michael's, and when I opened it, it was disgusting, all chunky, and I mean, it looked like it was really old, so I had to go and return it. And then I kept checking on Amazon and different places whenever the white one will come up, and then finally it came up, I think last week or the week before, and it did say it will take probably like 5 to 10 days to get it, but I got it in a rather good timing still. So I finally got my Deco Art Americana Deco Art satin enamel, and so I have tried it a little bit off camera to see if I can do the cloud pour. I've had good luck with it so far. But no, I'm gonna do one on camera now. And so, yeah, let me show you the colors that I'm gonna use. So this beautiful colors, if you have been following my channel, you know I love dark, bright, bold colors. I don't know, I feel like if there's not at least one bold or bright color in a painting, it's just not complete. However, I have taught myself to kind of like relax and be able to do some soft color ones. I don't know how successful I've been with that, but I'm still trying. Anyway, so this is like a really beautiful, like a type of purplish color, which I mixed up. I mixed this up with, I used Rose Madder from Arteza. Most of my paint stays are from Arteza. Rose Madder and Neon Pink. And then I put in some Artist Loft Metallic Purple. So I mixed these up in order to get this, which I am loving. Is more like a really deep, rich wine color. So yeah, that's that. Then I got this color, which is also a mix of just the neon pink and the rose madder. So that's like that's like beautiful pinkish type color. And then I have this orange color. Oh my god, beautiful, beautiful. Do you see the shine in that? I mean, this is not just any orange here. Anyway, this orange is from Modern Masters satin finish, and the color is called burnt orange. And oh my god, it's gorgeous. It's so gorgeous. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, I think I might have a little bit of the Artist Loft Orange Metallic in there too, but I know mostly it is this Modern Masters burnt orange. Okay, so then I am using this light, beautiful blue color. It's light, but I am loving it. And this is Arteza's Pearl Sky Blue. Okay, and after that I have this beauty, and this one is Arteza's Cobalt Blue. So that's that. And after that I have a little bit of this navy mixed with black. So this I made midnight blue. I wanted midnight blue, but I didn't have it, and so I had navy, Folk Arts navy. And so I used that, and then I add a little bit of Artist Loft black in it to make it this midnight blue. And for my cloud pour, obviously, now I know they say you should try it, at least when I watched the video by Melody, that cloud pour works best with the Liquitex or the Artist Loft paints, but I'm gonna try it with the Arteza because I have Arteza paints a lot right now, and I just want to use those. I have some Liquitex and Artist Loft, but they're not exactly of the colors that I wanted to pour together. I'm gonna make a good combination. I'll work on getting that. So let's see, I'm just gonna see how it works out. So this is just a satin enamel, half satin enamel, and half Artist Loft white, a little bit of Liquitex in it, and water. So yeah, it's basically the, you know, the original recipe that Melly D came up with. So, you know, she discovered something awesome. Anyway, so okay. So this is a 12 by 12 canvas that I'm using. So I'm gonna do a ring pour. And so I'm gonna start it now. Just a little bit of this, just a little bit. I don't wanna like take over either, but just enough for there to be something there. Did I dry that? I don't think I dried my cup before using it. I think I'm gonna go rinse this out and then dry it again. Just need a second to come back. Okay, back. I just wanted to dry it out. I had washed it, but I hadn't dried it, and I didn't want there to be droplets of water because it does affect the consistency of the paint. Okay, so I have the sides covered up. So this is one of the things I actually got from Gina DeLuca's channel. I watch so many of these wonderful, wonderful, wonderful artists, and I learned so much from them. And from each one, I've taken something or the other, which I incorporate or try to remember to do. At least I try. And so yeah, she uses paint right out of the bottle. So this is what I did. I just took the black one out of the black Artist Loft bottle, and I'm using that. And I just took a brush here and just cover the sides so that I don't have any canvas white peekabooing from underneath as much, I hope. That's my hope here, at least. That's the hope. Okay, so I'm actually going to put, what should I put as a pillow here? Maybe I should just get some regular white and put that as a pillow. I do have some regular white here. I think it's regular white. I'm not 100% sure as to what it is. But, or maybe I'll just use the, yeah, I'm just gonna use some of this blue. Hope it doesn't make any difference what kind I use. Okay, that's it. Just a little bit of that right there. All right. it's not the same consistency because obviously it's going all off in different directions, but I'm still liking the effect, so oh well, whatever. There we go. All right. Okay. Okay. You want to see the... I didn't want to let it go, so I didn't want to do a close-up there, but you can see all those beautiful, beautiful lines and all the colors and how they're going. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ah, so liking this. So, yeah, put some here, put some here, just a bit of here, put some here, alrighty, and I can kind of like spread it out. So anyway, okay, I'm gonna grab my container, which I have started to let the paint drop into, rather than onto the table covers that I use underneath here. I just find that it's easy. So okay, in the tilting process, another thing I also picked up from Gina, and which I try to remember, is always go back to the center before you go to any other direction. And so that's what I'm going to try to do here. Let it go off mostly. Bring it back over to the center. There. Back into kind of the center, go in this direction. Back into the middle. Okay. Turn it around. Back to the center. Okay. Now to the other direction here. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I still haven't gotten the proper equipment, I guess, for doing this. The kids insist I need to get a proper mic in order to talk, and I just haven't had a chance to get that. That's the problem that I had yesterday with the live stream. I didn't have it, and I ran into a lot of issues with that because it kept picking up static from my end, and so yeah. but I will soon hopefully be having all that stuff. And oh wow, I'm loving this. I am loving this. Oh, this is really nice. Just one more time, I want to tilt a little bit towards this way. I found that if I just continue tilting because I'm not satisfied with something, I actually make it worse. So I'm trying not to do that here. All right, now bring it back to the middle and be satisfied, woman. And I love the effect that the satin enamel cloud pour made. If you can see, it's not totally white, but you can see the cloud pour, where the cloud satin enamel made the type of effects that it made. And I'm liking this very much, very much. So. Wow. I'm going to go in for some close-ups. As you watch the close-ups and the mock-up of how the painting might look up on a wall, I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked my video, and please like it and share it. It will really help me and my channel. And please subscribe, and I so appreciate it. Hope you watch again, and take care of yourself, keep safe, and may you always be blessed. Thank you.